Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Friday, March 20th, and today I have some really fun things to share with you. First up is the highly anticipated show and tell kit using the Elizabeth Hartman Bella Solids and linen for the background. Let me show you this. This is the pattern. The pattern is huge, has a lot of pieces in it. And then this is your fabric kit, which contains all of the Bella Solids by Elizabeth Hartman, plus this great speckledy natural color linen for the background. So very excited to have them. We have the capability to ship 6 of them. So if you are watching us from afar and you'd like a kit, go ahead and put in your order right away because 6 is our limit for shipping. Those are the boxes that we have to ship in. Next up we have Morning Mist 9 because they don't come up with new names. So we're on the 9th version of Morning Mist. This pigment white on white collection features subtle patterns that provide much needed quiet detail for your next project. Well, I'm trying to show you this one. The release of Morning Mist includes many fun geometrics and abstract prints that will be perfect for just about any project. Use Morning Mist 9 in any project that needs some help from a pigment white on white pattern. Look at that, we've got a nice snowflake. And this is by Satin Moon Designs for Blank Quilting. And this last one's really fun. It would be neat in some of our more modern patterns. Fun. Next up we have Paint in Prism. Discover endless creative possibilities with Paint in Prism. These prints deliver a vibrant spectrum of colors, perfect for any project. The variety of designs makes it an ideal choice for both traditional and contemporary designs. Let this rainbow of prints inspire your next masterpiece. And this is by Hoffman California Fabrics, and of course these are batiks. They are really fun. I like this one compared to that one because I like the little crisp lines.
I like that it's in stripes almost.
Oh yeah, let's see. Let's open it up and see if it looks stripy. Oh, not exactly.
Not exactly.
Yeah, it's just a big mush of colors. But the thing I like about good batik companies is that they don't get grays and browns. Like, although we have a lot of colors there, it's not muddy and it's not kind of grayish.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's a pretty one too. So that's how you know if you've got a good batik because you don't get those muddy tones. That's what we have for you today. Tomorrow at 1:30 we have Chrissy Lux here debuting her very first collection for Moda Fabrics. It's going to be really exciting, lots of giveaways. She'll tell us all about how she chose her prints and chose her colors. And that is free for anyone. So just come down to the shop tomorrow at 1:30 to hang out with Chrissy Lux and learn all about her fabric collection. We're also taking pre-orders for the collection so you can get exactly what you want and know that it's not going to be sold out on you. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here from the shop on Monday. Bye.